Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Flood. I'm originally from Kearney, Nebraska, and obviously I've stayed in Kearney, Nebraska. I'm a sophomore here at UNK studying K through 12 art education. I'm also the oldest of four girls, and I have a lot of pets ranging from a dog and cats to rabbits, guinea pigs, chinchillas, and birds. So it's pretty exciting at my house. I also grew up in an in-home daycare, so I was constantly surrounded by kids and kind of fell in love with teaching. I'd set up a classroom in my basement, and the daycare kids would be my students. So it's always been something that I've been interested in, and I'm excited that now I'll get to actually do it someday. I also love art, obviously, since I'm an art ed major, but I'm excited to kind of share that love with my students and learn the best way to teach, which will hopefully include technology for both learning methods and just letting my students see the world through art.